Here is our hot tub tutorial. Okay, this hot tub is going to be locked when you get here. To get it open, you just press each little side like that. You come over and you press this side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lift it over, and you see this bar here? You just lift it on up. It holds on that bar, and here's your hot tub. Now, it will be set to 80 degrees when you get here. So first things first, just come out here and turn it up to about 103 is about the hottest you want to go. Now, to get it hot, you go ahead and you push the plus button to make it go down. And right now it's set at 80. It's just coming down. You push the down button. Okay, so if you want to have lights on, you can push the light button, and those lights will show more at night than during the day. Okay, for the hot tub jets, you push this, and that's on about a 15-minute timer. And to turn it off, you just push that. So before you close the hot tub up, you want to make sure those are off. To open the hot tub all the way up, you see this bar over here. You're just going to go ahead and you're going to lift it up. And there you go. Your hot tub is here. At most, 4 adults can be in here. Otherwise, it will overflow and we won't have enough water in the hot tub. The hot tub is treated with bromine. Bromine can sometimes make your suits a little funky, so wear an older suit if you can. Also, before you're done, you can put this down halfway. So every time you leave the hot tub, we want to make sure we close it back up. And then at the end of the day, at the end of your hot tubbing time, you're going to come over here, open up this little jar. It's got some squeezy things on the side. Up there, I got it. And you're going to take 2 spoonfuls. One. Poop. 2. Okay, and before you close it, you got to go ahead and let it move around. So that's just going to make sure that we don't have any bacteria in that hot tub and that it's safe for everybody to go into. Hey, rule of thumb with hot tub is no kids under 5. If there are any children in the hot tub, they need to be supervised at all times. Okay, so that is what you need to do. So when you're done, after about 15 minutes of that moving around, you just go ahead and turn the hot tub off. You flip this over just like that, just gently. And you're gonna wanna lock it back up, especially in the winter, because those winds get super special. So we lock it there and we lock it here. Now, if you're out here at night, you can go ahead and you can plug in, you can see these lights over here. The lights plug in right here to this plug-in. Now, if you do plug in the lights, you just got to make sure that you turn them back off by unplugging them. Okay, that is your hot tub tutorial. Remember, no kids under 5, supervision at all times, no more than 4 adults in the hot tub at a time.